This drink can help relieve cough and cold in kids. Let's see how to make. Boil 1 cup water, add 1 inch chopped ginger, or you can even add dry ginger, 3 elaichi. Boil it and add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and half a teaspoon thyme leaves. Allows more oxygen into the lungs and gives relief congestion from nose and throat. Reduce it to half a glass, cool down, and now you can filter this. Add 1 teaspoon organic honey to this and give it to your child. Quarter cup every day works perfect for cold and cough.